Banc de Sang i Teixits, Blood and Tissue Bank, is the public company in Catalonia that works to bring health and well-being to the lives of thousands of people. Our primary mission is to ensure that everyone who needs blood has it, where needed and when needed. We're also a leading centre for research into our body's cells, genes and tissues. We carry out research so that it may provide health and life. More than 900 professionals make this possible. We operate in a network that includes all the major public hospitals, and we perform more than 300,000 blood component transfusions a year. We serve 7.5 million people thanks to a unique vein-to-vein model, which is an international benchmark. We are responsible for the whole cycle, from donor to patient. The BST blood bank controls and is responsible for the donation and substances of human origin in Catalonia, which it analyzes, treats, and processes. It transfuses them, makes them into medicinal products, carries out research, and stores and freezes them while waiting, for example, to transplant a leucæmia patient. This is why we are a life bank. We perform more than 3 million laboratory tests a year. We guarantee excellent transfusion safety to ensure top-quality blood components. We collaborate with health authorities in the epidemiological surveillance of health, especially in the case of insect-borne diseases. We are a world leader in fractionation processes to separate blood into red blood cells, plasma, and platelets, both in terms of safety and the purity and quality of the components obtained. More than 20 years ago, we were pioneers in incorporating automation into our activities, and we can say that we spearhead the most specialized technology companies. They are our collaborative partners with whom we innovate, looking for the best solutions. That's why we always have the latest technological innovations available to process not only blood, but also tissues and cells, because we created them together. Like the rest of Europe, we are immersed in the challenge of obtaining enough plasma to become self-sufficient in blood derivatives, mainly immunoglobulins. We have adapted our centres and mobile equipment to accommodate this type of donation. We develop cell, gene, and tissue-based therapies. We develop medicinal products that are the basis for the new personalized medicines such as CAR T cells. We participate in more than 60 studies and clinical trials together with other research institutes. We have a broad spectrum of action. We research the creation of laboratory red blood cells, rare blood groups, blood-related diseases, stem cells, and new therapeutic uses for umbilical cord blood. We have developed 7 bioimplants to repair the dead part of the heart in heart attack patients. This is pioneering research. We are a centre that serves the scientific community with a biobank, precision genomic diagnostic platforms, cellular laboratories, and advanced therapy medicinal product manufacturing. We have a state-of-the-art building for energy efficiency and facilities with accredited quality and excellence. We have 10 clean rooms at the service of the teams that need them, cryopreservation tanks and specialized laboratories equipped with state-of-the-art technology. We are the largest multi-tissue bank in Europe. A single tissue donor can help more than 100 people. We distribute tissues internationally while guaranteeing local sourcing, and it is the only area where we also distribute to patients in Europe. We are also a breast milk bank for 600 extremely premature babies a year, and we have promoted the first simultaneous donations of cord and placenta from pregnant mothers. And all this is thanks to our big family. We are a family of 200,000 people, all different but united by a unique commitment: donating. Our raison d'être is their selfless action. They donate blood, plasma, platelets, tissues, corneas, breast milk, placenta, cord, and bone marrow. Together, we all make up the Life Bank of Catalonia. We are the thread connecting those who donate to those who receive.